Alright. Yes. Magandang araw again. This is Kiko Javier, your mentor, your coach here for Total Takeover. So now we will be talking about uh, the compensation plan. So paano ba? Paano ba kikita rito? So how does it work? Alright. So since this is on pre-launch, no, hindi pa natin talaga makikita fully sa ating website, no? But again, I will try my best to explain it to you as far as I know, right? Because I'm so familiar with this pay plan system. All right, but again, hanggat hindi pa to nalo-launch by January 26, probably hindi 100% itong ituturo ko. That's a probability, no? Pero I'm not saying na malaking porsyento. But again, most likely this is it because I know how this works, no? Pero mas maiintindihan kasi natin how a compensation plan works kapag ka po nandyan na, pag nangyayari na talaga. Alright, let's go first to this slide. So we are now in front of a program that can help us create a dream lifestyle. Okay, believe it or not, I have been contemplating about this. Sa totoo lang po, kahit ano pang sabihin natin, people needs money. Anybody listening to me right now, sabi mo, hindi ko naman kailangan ng pera. Believe me, sa totoo lang, we need it. No? Why? Because we have so many things we want to do, including helping. So if you're somebody na, hindi, sabi mo, hindi naman ako materialoso na tao. I'm not after material things. Yes, but you need money to help people. Totoo yun? Sabi mo, yung heart mo is to help people. Your heart is to bless people. So, we still need that money. And we can be a channel of this blessing. All right? So, what in front of us right now, Total Takeover could be another channel of blessing. And believe me, I've seen this before. I have been a channel of this blessing before. And it's happening again. So, ngayon po, hindi ako papayag na hindi nyo na ito makukuha. All right? Because this program has been enhanced. Alright, based dun sa mga dati ko pong nakita, ito na po talaga yung gusto kong mangyari ever since. And ginawa po ng Total Takeover. Okay? So for only $89.95 a month, no? $89.95 a month. So that's actually about 3,700 pesos. Alright, so maaaring nagtatanong kayo, 3,700 pesos, ibig mo sabihin, magbabayad ako ng ganyan monthly? Wow! Isa naman ako kukuha niyan. Alright, you might be asking that question. But again, pag gusto, may paraan. Pag ayaw, may dahilan. Alright, and don't even think about that monthly expense kasi one time mo lang ito magiging expense. Yung susunod na mga buwan, especially you're part of the pre-launching team, sa income mo na magagaling. So don't even worry about it. Believe me, makikita nyo po mamaya. Okay? So I would like to show you how to have a dream lifestyle with your 3,700 pesos. Okay, ganito lang po yun. Alright? So we have these two different pay plans working at the same time. Okay, ulitin ko lang po, dadaan-daan ako. Meron na po akong ginawang orientation about this, pero specifically for this session, ulitin natin itong area na to, compensation plan. So you will be in profit with only 2 people. Sa dalawang tao lang na ma-refer mo into this program, kita ka na. Alright? Yun po yun. Ito po kasi mangyayari. Magkakaroon ka ng residual income from those 2 people. You get paid $45 every 30 days from all members on your pay line, meaning all members who subscribes every month, you earn $45. So, wow. So, kung 10 years sila mag-subscribe, meaning 10 years, every month for the next 10 years, you will earn $45 for every person you have personally referred to this program. Alright? Ang tanong lang naman po, paano kung huminto? Ito, tatanungin ko kayo, if you're earning like, let's say, pinakamababa, 50,000 a month. Alright? Will you stop subscribing next month? Let's say ngayon, kumita ka ng 50,000. And usapan, everybody commits to subscribe for 3,700. Okay, so kumita kayo ng 50,000, next month ba magsusubscribe ka? O ayaw mo na? Lugi ka? Okay. On the second month, you earn, let's say naka-fix ka na lang sa 50. You earn another 50,000 because people you brought in plus the whole compensation plan working for you, spillovers, etc. Third month, kumita ka ng 50,000. On the fourth month ba, magsusubscribe ka ulit? Papayag ka ba na mabawasan ng 3,700? Or pwede rin namang hindi ka mag-subscribe. Now, if you don't subscribe, everything that's due you won't get it. Ganun lang po kasimple. So, why will you not do it? Okay? So, ito po yun. Pay plan number 1. So, simple. Dadaanan po natin. Ikaw si you. Then you have a sponsor. You're part of this program because of a sponsor. So, ipinasok mo si Sam. Okay? Sam subscribes for $89.95. You get $45. That's more than 50%. All right? So, $45 is about 1,800 pesos. Okay, sa 41 pesos. Okay na ba yon? So, every person you bring into, every time they pay every month, you earn 1,800 per person. Okay? So, ito po, this is how it works. Pay plan or the 2-up system, ganito po yon. Ipinasok mo ngayon si Sue. Si Sue ngayon, because this is a 2-up system, meaning your second and your fourth will be passed up. Si Sue malilipat kay sponsor. So, si sponsor will earn $25. Okay? So, si sponsor na wala namang malay-malay, kumita na 1,025. Alright? And ikaw, in fairness to you, sa mga previous pass-up system po kasi 100% wala ka talagang bonus na makukuha. Pero in this program, you earn $20 pa rin po. So, $20 at 41 pesos, you earn 820 pesos. Alright? So, hindi pa rin matatawag na nasayang yung effort mo. Okay? So, yan. So, you now have a residual income of $65. When you say residual, the word residual means dire-diretso. Alright? Kaya po siya tinawag na residual. Meaning, it will happen on a month-to-month basis as long as everybody commits to the program. Ulitin ko, why will anybody not commit if everybody is earning? Okay, if you're earning an extra 10 or 20,000 this month, or every month sa 20,000 na lang, will you stop subscribing your 3,700? Alright, so every month, you have that potential earning of 2,665 sa 41 pesos. Pero ito nga, ginaganahan ka. So, na-refer mo si Bill. So, Bill, your third personal direct, okay, you earn $45 from it. So, that's $110 na po na total earning. So, that's 4,510 residual income. Ulitin ko, residual means every month you will receive it as long as you are active. So, paano ba maging active sa total takeover? You subscribe every month. Alright? So, kumita ka ng 4,510. You bring in Mary. Ito yung pang-apat mo. So, again, second and fourth will be passed up to your sponsor. So, si Mary na-pass up kay sponsor. Si sponsor, walang kamaang kumita ng $25 or about 1,000 plus. And ikaw naman, you still earn 820 pesos. So, if you get 4, you're already in profit. $130 po ang babalik sa'yo, ang kikitain mo. So, that's 5,330. So, naglabas ka ng 3,700. Alright? So, you still have 1,630 na kinita. If it stops there. Alright? Ito po yon. If you don't stop, let's say you get the fifth person, okay, binigyan ka ng $45 residual. So, that's already $175. Or 7,175. And the good news, from the fifth sponsored member onwards, wala na pong pass up yan. Meaning, everything stays with you. Alright? Yung sixth person mo, binigyan ka na naman ng $45. So, that's $220 na po. So, for that month, let's say this is happening on a 1-month basis, 9,020 po yung kinita mo. Up to infinity po yan. Meaning, wala pong katapusan yan. Alright? Wala na pong katapusan yan. Okay? And this is the good news. I'll show you how the magic works. Because ito pong 1,356, assuming na lang po 6 yan. Kinuha mo lahat kasama yung dalawang na-pass up. All their 2 and 4 will be passed up to you as well. Katulad ni sponsor na kumita ng $25. So lahat ng ma-pass up sa'yo, halimbawa lang ikaw to, alright, ikaw ang kikita ng $25 at lahat ng pumila na pass up sa'yo, lahat din ng 2 and 4 nila sa'yo na ibibigay. So kaya po tinatawag na infinity pass up yan, meaning wala po yung katapusan hanggat dire-diretso tayong nag-iimbita na mga taong katulad natin na gustong matuto online through online marketing and yung mga online trainings na ibibigay sa atin kung paano pa maging maayos na marketer and mga taong katulad natin na seryoso na gustong kumita ng maayos na pera. Alright, so I hope this makes sense. Ganyan po ang itsura niyan. Alright, to summarize in text, ganito po yan. Assuming 4 lang ang kinuha mo. Example po tayo. Assuming 4 lang. You get your 4, 2 and 4 are pass ups. You keep 1 and 3. So 2 times $45. Remember, $45 po per person na ibibigay sa'yo. So that's $90. Okay, in short, balik na yung pinuhunan mo. Alright? And remember, yung iyong 2 and 4 na pinas up, you still earn $20 each on both pass up. So that's $40. At the $90 na nakuha mo from your 1 and 3, okay, kumita ka ng $130 for that month. Yun na po yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. And now, this is where the magic begins. So, kailangan po dito is we also delegate the same task, delegate the whole system to our downlines. Kailangan ulitin nila yung ginawa natin. So, we multiply actually through them. On your month 2, okay, this is a very, very, na po ito, conservative projection. Believe me, hindi ako naniniwalang it will take you 1 month to get 4. Alright? Others can do it in 1 day. Others can do it in 3 days. Probably others can do it in 1 week. So, pero very conservative, month to month ang usapan natin. Okay, so this is now your second month. Your 2 got their 4. Alright? Of course, 2 each are passed up. Up to you for a total of 4. So 4 times $25 equals $100. Okay? So kumita ka ng $100 from that pass ups. Okay? $25 lang kasi each. 4 yun. Alright? That's 4,100 pesos. So again, covered na yung pang monthly mo. Teka, baka malimutan mo, nagbabayad ulit yung first month mo na mga na sponsor, which is kumita ka ng $130 sa kanila. So meaning yung 100, i-plus mo sa 130. So for that month pala, $230 yung nakuha mo. Or that's about 9,430 pesos. So tanong, will you subscribe? Willing ka bang bawasan ng 3,700 yung iyong 9,400? Dahil kumikita ka? Definitely yes. Let's go to month 3, your 4. Get there 4. Okay, yung 4 na directs mo, kumuha na ng taga-4 din. Everybody gets 4. That's the bare minimum. Alright? Of course, 2 each are pass up. So 8 ang na-pass up sa'yo times 25. That's $200. Alright? Oops, wag kang muna mag-compute kasi add mo pa yan doon sa last month mo na kinikita na nagsusubscribe din naman sila kasi kumikita sila. So that's $430 for month 3 or 17,630. Guys, this is already a salary of a supervisor sa Pilipinas. All right? And you're just doing this at home in your internet. And hindi maraming tao ang pinag-uusapan natin dyan. We're just talking of 4 people getting 4. So yung month 3, hindi na ikaw yung naghahanap dyan. If you want to stop, but again, believe me, nobody wants to stop this. Wala po tayong limit. Just take note, hindi po tayo limited sa 4. You can go full blast, unlimited hanggat gusto mo. As I speak now, I have almost 80 direct referrals. 80 na po yung pumasok sa akin. Alright? So, bilangin nyo na lang po, do the math. No? Okay, month 4, your 8 get there 4. So, 16 times 25, that's $400. Plus, yung kinita mo from the people who join and resubscribe again. So, that's $830 for your month 4. Sa peso po, that's about 34,000. Tanong, meron ka bang pambayad ng subscription mo na 3,700 if you earn 34,000? Definitely. Sobra-sobra. Month 5, your 16 get there 4. So that's 32 times $25 each, $800. Plus the 830 nakikita mo from the previous month based on the subscription of the other members. That's 1,630 for the month 5 or 66,830. Tanong, may 3,700 ka pa pang subscribe? Ay nako. Definitely. Month 6, your 32 get there 4. 64 times 25 is $1,600 plus your 1,630 from the previous month na nagsusubscribe ulit sila, di ba? Every month nagsusubscribe lahat. So this is 3,230 times 41 pesos. That's 132,430 pesos income for month 6. Wow, andiyan ka pa? Tanong, meron ka bang pang subscribe next month na 3,700 out of your 132,000? Month 7, the 64 get there 4. 128 times $25. That's 3,200 plus all the subscriptions and renewals. That's 6,430 times 41. Sorry po. Sorry, naglolo kong calculator. Hindi na kaya. 430 at $41 po. That's 263,630. 263,630 pesos. Tanong, may pang-resubscribe ka pa ba by 8 month? Alright, tanong, willing ka ba maglabas ng 3,700 a month in this kind of a business? Tanong, hanggang kailan mo gustong gawin to? Will you stop this on the 9th month, on the 10th month? Ayoko na, lugi ako, I'm fed up. Ang laki na ng kinita ko, this is foolish. Hindi ko to itutuloy. Guys, I don't know about you, but sobrang daming pwedeng gawin sa pera. And I will lead you. I will give you suggestions. I'll definitely run another program about handling money, kung saan natin dadalhin, etc., financial management. But guys, this is just 7-month projection. Hindi ko na po itutuloy sa 8, sa 9, sa 10. Baka pumalula na kayo. 263,000 na po nito. Ngayon, ang gusto ko pong imagine ninyo, what if we do this on a weekly basis? Meaning, hindi month to month. No? So, ibig sabihin ng isang buwan pala, alright, will be 4 weeks. Alright, so yung 4 weeks pala, yung kinita mo from month 1, month 2, month 3, month 4, kikitain mo for 1 month. And 5, 6, 7, wala pa nga po yung 8. That's 263,000 plus. Sabihin na natin mga 300,000 plus. Pwede mo kitain on the 2nd month. Alright, sino po sa inyo yung bound sa utang? Gusto makabayad na this year? Guys, I don't know about you, but this will help. Alright, naranasan ko po ito. 3 years ago, I was so down. I was, so in debt. Baon na baon sa utang, pinalalaya sa apartment. Nag-aaway po kami padalas. And because of a program like this, something online, ganito po halos ang structured, except this is better because may monthly ito. Okay, but I never realized that a monthly subscription thing, ito pala ang bubuhay. Alright, because, well, kung one time lang po kasi yung ating iniisip, believe me, one time lang talaga yung income. So meaning, after mong kumita ng one time, hindi ka sure kung kikita ka pa ulit next month. So magtataka ka na bakit wala na nangyayari. Alright, so this is just pay plan 1. Busog na busog ka. Now, pay plan 1, you have to focus on personal referred. Okay, so please, huwag kang matakot. Huwag mo sasabihin, paano na yan? Baka walang mag-join sa akin, etc. Please, now is the time to get as many people as you can because the registration to grab the position is free. Okay? Just get the right people. Okay? Huwag ka naman magpa-join ng kung sino-sino. Yung alam mo naman tamba, yung alam mong sobrang negatibong tao, yung alam mong galit sa mundo. Sige lang, sign up. No. Piliin mo naman ha. Because once they're in, the system will encourage them to subscribe. Hindi ikaw. The system has its own way of following up, of sending informations, of making sure everybody is encouraged. So ang importante lang is please get the people to sign up your link. All right? Sabi mo, just sign up and learn. Matututo ka as we go along. Then if you don't want to, then please do not. All right? Walang pilitan to. On January 26, kung ayaw mo makuha yung kita mo, ayaw mo maging part nito, sabi mo, this is crap, this is garbage, then please, you're not forced to join. Alright, and anybody below you, since naka-timestamp po yan, yung atin pong yung hierarchy natin ngayon, depende una-unahan kung sino pumapasok. Anybody who joins, okay, na na-under sa hindi nag-subscribe, aakyat po pataas yan. So huwag kayong mag-alala, hindi po mawawala yun. Lilipat sa'yo at lilipat sa mga nasa taas. Alright, this is just pay plan number 1. Let's now go to pay plan number 2. Pay plan number 2 is a bonus. Alright, ito pong bonus na to, you get paid an amazing $1 every person in your matrix every month. So this is a forced matrix 2x10. When we say forced matrix, wala po tayong kinalaman dyan. Ang system ang pupuno dun sa mga slots below you. Every month nyo po ito makukuha, first Wednesday of the next month. Okay, take note of this, whether you personally sponsor anyone or not. Ayaw po natin itong encourage because trabahong tamad po yun. Mindset ng mga hindi nagiging successful. But we will tell it to you anyway. Maski hindi ka makasponsor kahit isa, because of this pay plan to kikita ka ng $1 for every person na mahulog o ma-spill over sa ilalim mo. Alright, so what is the possibility na magkaka-spill over ka? Yun ang tanong. O sure ba yan? Magkaka-spill over ba ako? Alright, the possibility is so huge. Lampas tao po ang possibility. Why? Because this is pre-launch. Kung titingnan nyo po yung power line, I don't know, kanina parang 16,000 or 18,000 people are already signed up worldwide. So yung pong 18,000 na yan will be scattered to all of us. Alright, kasi nandyan po tayo. Yung power line na yun, kasama tayo sa loob nun. So anybody who subscribes by January 26, i-distribute po yun sa atin. So meaning, imposible. Napaka-imposible hindi ka malagyan ng spillover at this time. And pag nalagyan ka ng spillover, so that spillover member subscribes every month. So kahit na wala kang na-sponsor kahit isa, which is imposible mangyari, pero usapang ano na lang to, usapang imposible, you will still earn $1 for every person. Ito po yung pay plan number 2. So this is how to demonstrate it. Lahat tayo sa force matrix may 2x10. Starting from you, sa first level mo may 2 slots, sa second level mo may 4 slots. Okay, third level mo may 8 pababa hanggang 1,024 slots sa level 10. So lahat po yan, dahil aktibo ang mga uplines nyo, since dalawa lang naman ang pwedeng malagay sa'yo, okay, sa first level mo, o first level, halimbawa ng upline mo, pag may marami pa siya mga na-sponsor, walang choice siya, kundi, let's say, ikaw yun nandito, isa ka sa level 1 ng upline mo. Yung third niya, babagsak dito sa level 2, which is under you. Alright, ganun po yun. Yung fourth niya, babagsak din dito sa level na to, which is under you pa rin. Alright, and assuming these people moves, no? So bukod sa spillover ng sponsor mo, halimbawa ito active, ito talaga nagtrabaho. Pinuno nila, pinuno. Ikaw, wala kang ini-sponsor kasi talagang nawawala ka, hindi mo alam ang nangyayari sa mundo. Alright, joke lang po. Napuno yung iyong matrix, that's up to level 10. So this is 1,024 people sa level 10. I-add nyo po pataas yan. All in all, this is 2,046 people. You have $1 per person. That's 2,046 per month. Spillover income. Kasama na rin po yung sa'yo kung meron man. Alright, so this is a 2,046 per month at 41 pesos. This is about almost 85,000 pesos shopping money. Okay? Kung tawagin po ni Val Smith, allowance. Alright, so okay ka na ba magkaroon ng allowance na 85,000 pesos? Alright, hindi mo po effort yan. Effort yan ng everybody else on top of you. At maski hindi on top of you, halimbawa may pumasok dito na magaling, alright, tumabaho siya. Since nasa loob siya ng iyong 2x10 matrix, pupunuin niya yung kanyang 2x10 din. Lahat tayo may 2x10. So, pumapasok yan sa organization mo. It means for every person na ipapasok ng naging downline mo or na spill over sa'yo, kilala mo man o hindi, ikaw man ang nag-sponsor o hindi, pasok yan sa 2x10 mo. Wow! I've heard comments from different people that this is one of the best marketing plan they've ever seen on the planet. And these are seasoned online marketers. Sabi nila, wow, this is something. Okay, because on top of this pay plan number 2, remember, kung trabahuhin mo to, yung mga nakita nyo kanina figure, yung umaabot ng 200,000 a month, kasama pa po yun. Guys, ayoko kayong silawin sa pera. Pero, magpakatotoo na po tayo. We need the money to be a blessing to others. No? Let's say, magpakabait tayo. We want to be a blessing to others. How can you be a blessing to others if you don't have money? Okay, hindi po masama na magserbisyo. Tama po yon. Wala kang pera, ipaglamo mo yung kaibigan mo. Wala kang pera, samahan mo yung kaibigan mo. Ipagbuhat mo siya ng mga mabibigat kung ano man yung ginagawa niya. That's perfect. That's still generosity. But guys, please, pray to God that you also be a channel of financial blessing. Hindi po masamang hingin yun. Alright? And I have personally experienced that, how to be a channel of financial blessing. Believe me, napakasarap ng pakiramdam na dumadaan sa iyo yung pera para magamit sa pag-bless sa ibang tao. Okay, so I hope naintindihan nyo po and I hope you're excited. Guys, this is I think day 4. Day 4 ba? No? Or day 3 now. And wow, almost 20,000 people from around the world are in. Napakaliit pa po nun. If you're talking of kung Pilipino lang ang gusto mong i-reach out in this program, kung Facebook lang ang gusto mong i-reach out, there are 26 million Filipinos using Facebook. Kapatid, 26 million ang pwede mong share na opportunity na to. Palagay mo, kaya mo yun? Alright, hindi natin kaya lahat yun. So we need to work together and reach out to as many as we can. Tanong, ilan sa 26 million na Pilipino ang gusto at nangangarap na magkaroon ng kalayaang pampinansyal? Hulaan nyo. Alright, so I hope you're getting it. Ipapakita ko lang po sa inyo. Alright, I just want to share this. Kasi para lang din makita nyo yung back office. Ito po yan, ha? Yung aking sinasabi ko kanina, if you log into your back office, i-click nyo po yung genealogy. Ito po yung company power line. Ano, okay? So may mga confusion po kasi sa start. Everybody got so excited. So they thought, I have $1 sa lahat ng tao na yan. Nakasulat po kasi nung una dyan, 18 people below you. Okay, binago na po nila. There are 18,498 people total that came in after you. Okay, after me. So when I joined, okay, 18,498 people na po ang pumasok after me on a date stamp. So ano mangyayari dyan? Ano po ang essence niyan? Ano ang kahalagahan niyan? Alright, it means 18,498 people come launching, no? Probably hindi po 100% yan mag-subscribe. I don't know what's the reason. Pero ilagay na lang po natin 80%. O, 70% na lang. Okay, computein po natin. So what is, assuming it stops now, pero again, this is only the third day. Alright, third day po, 18,000 na lang. Isipin nyo lang on the 26th, ilan yan? Alright, so 18,498 times 70% na lang mag-subscribe. That's 12,948 people na i-distribute sa ating forced matrix. Yun po ang ibig sabihin niyan. It will be distributed on our forced matrix based on the activities of your uplines. Kami po yun. And of course, my upline, which is Tracy Jameson. Okay, kung ilang libo-libo na po yung ginawa namin, and of course, the people under me are also your uplines. Tulong-tulungan po to. So all of those will be under everybody of us. Starting from me, kasi mga downlines ko po kayo. So bukod sa mga na-sponsor ko, plus yung mga na-sponsor ng mga direct downlines ko, everybody will pass downwards. So hindi ko lang po solo, pati yung mga na-sponsor ko na nasa ibabaw mo. So yun po ang potential niya. So wag niyo pong isipin na baliwala yan. At wag niyo isipin na wala kang mapapala dyan. Believe me, meron po. So ito po ang ipanalangin natin that this figure becomes, let's say, 10 million by January 26. Okay, kalimbawa lang po maging 10 million yan, believe me, napakarami natin makakapuno ng forced matrix come launch day. Ibig sabihin, pag launch pa lang, puno kagad yung 2,046 people na yun. So meaning, you already earn 85,000 immediately kahit hindi ka pa naka-sponsor, which is again, another impossible thing. Okay, ang gusto ko po tutukan nyo ay itong enroller tree. Inom lang po ako. Okay, the enroller tree is your organization personal without the spillovers. Okay, puro po ito. Wala pong halong spillover to. Pati yung upline ko, wala. Meaning, nagsimula sa akin, ako yung tatay, nanganak, naging lolo na ako. At lahat ng mga anak ng anak ko, lolo ako. Ito po yon. So, kung makikita nyo, ang figure ko po is 1,084 total members under my organization, solid. Alright? So, ito po yun. Itong 1,084 na to, kung titingnan ko to, if, let's say lang po, nag-subscribe itong mga to, so at $1 per person, that's already a guaranteed $1,084. Okay, na pwede kong kitain. Wala pa ho ang spillover dyan. Meaning yung pong ibibigay sa akin ng upline ko si Tracy at yung mga tama, yung sa company pa na i-spill over kay Tracy na makakarating din sa atin, hindi pa kasama yon. Alright, so sa 1,084 lang po, may guaranteed na ako ng 44,000 per month from this. If it stops now on the third day, guys, third day pa lang po, January 26 pa to. We still have, I think, about 17 days to go. Grabe. Team, please. Ito lang po pakiusap ko, wag kayong hihintong maniwala na ito na ang sagot sa dasal nyo. Yun lang po. Mayroon dyan maninira sa inyo, mayroon magsasabing kalokohan niya, may magsasabing that word, yung SCAM yan, etc. Please, do not allow them to steal your dreams. Ito lang masasabi ko po. Kilala ko po ang mga may-ari nito, sila Val Smith. And guys, hindi po nakikipagbiruan to mga taon to. And they are facing us on webinars. We know where to find them. They're everywhere and they are the legends of this industry. Nakagawa na po ito ng pangalan. So why will they destroy the reputation for email address? Sabi po nila, dahil lang daw po ito sa email addresses. Sa halaga ng email addresses, sisirain nila yung pangalan nila. Guys, this won't happen. And I know them. Kaya po ako nandito because I know them and we have been talking even before this started. So guys, maraming salamat po. I hope I was able to enlighten you. And please, dire-diretso nyo po. The goal of the team is to get at least 40 sign-ups. Lahat po tayo tag for 40. Huwag kayong matakot. Libre pa naman hong pumasok. So you just ask your closest, serious friends. I'm sure meron kang at least 4 na po na close na seryoso na kaibigan. Siguro naman nag-eskwela ka. Sa isang classroom lang, meron ka ng 30 to 40 classmates. Siguro naman yung 30 to 40 classmates mo, may pangarap ng financial freedom. So sabihin mo lang, bro, sister, try mo lang to, sign up ka lang, walang babayaran. Then, pag-aralan mo habang nasa loob ka na. If you don't want to take it on the 26, no problem. Ang gusto ko lang pumasok ka. All of us looks for 40 free sign-ups. Yun lang po nire-request ko sa inyo. 40 free sign-ups na seryoso. Okay, please look for the serious ones. Wag naman po yung ano nyo, yung standby na addict na sa kanto nyo na talaga naman po umaga hanggang gabi umiinom ng Red Horse. Hindi na talaga, wala na talaga. Okay, I'm not judging pero meron po talaga mga ganon. Alright, wag naman po yung lolo nyo na hindi na nakakabasa, hindi nakakarinig, na nakaupo lang sa sinulat mo lang yung pangalan niya. Please, 40 serious people who's also dreaming to experience financial freedom for this year, 2015. Alright, if you do that, and everybody does the same, believe me, 2015 will be the year of liberation for all of us. This is going to be a year of freedom for you. I see OFWs going home. That is my commitment. OFWs will stay home and stay with their families. Gone are the Christmases, gone are the birthdays of your children, gone are the graduations na sa Skype lang kayo nag-uusap. Sa Skype ka lang bumabati. Please, I want you to go home. Be serious about this because I am serious. Thank you so much. God bless all of you. Thank you po.